Hi, this is King of Review. Here we need to find the range of the real number a so that the function y equals log base 3 of x squared minus 4x plus a is defined. Now for a logarithmic function to be defined, we need the number inside of the log to be greater than 0, meaning it has to be a positive number. So what we're really looking for here is what values of a will make x squared minus 4x plus a greater than 0. Let's think for a minute about what x squared minus 4x plus a looks like on a graph. Since the leading coefficient, the highest power, is 2x squared, this graph would look like a parabola, a U-shape. It would be a right side up U-shape, since x squared has a positive coefficient. And the goal, what I want to look at here is the lowest point. We're worried about this number being positive, so as long as we can make the lowest point be positive, we are guaranteed to have the entire parabola be positive. The lowest point of a parabola is called the vertex, and the easiest way to find the vertex is to convert this parabola we have here, x squared minus 4x plus a, into what's called vertex form. That will show us the vertex. We can put this in vertex form by completing the square, like this. I'm going to start by rewriting the problem. We have x squared minus 4x plus a, but I'm going to put x squared minus 4x in parentheses, leave the a outside the parentheses, and leave some space here. In that space, we're going to take negative 4, the coefficient of the x term. We're going to divide it by 2 and then square it. Negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2, and negative 2 squared is positive 4. I'm going to add 4 inside the parentheses, and then because I don't want to change this problem, I'm going to subtract 4 outside the parentheses to make sure that ultimately I haven't changed the problem. Adding 4 and subtracting 4 cancel each other out. But what I have here now in parentheses is a polynomial that factors into x minus 2, the whole quantity, squared, plus a minus 4. This is called vertex form. The vertex of this parabola is going to be at the point 2, from the 2 that's subtracted in the parentheses, comma, a minus 4, from the a minus 4 outside the parentheses. This means the vertex of our parabola happens at x equals 2, which is significant because our parabola is defined for x is greater than 1. That means the low point on the graph, the vertex, is part of this logarithmic function. So we have to make sure that this vertex is greater than 0. But if the vertex needs to be above the x-axis, a positive number, that means we need a minus 4 to be a positive number. If a minus 4 at the lowest point on the graph is positive, then every point on the graph will be positive. But this is a very easy inequality to solve. We simply need a to be greater than 4. So there is the answer to the problem. Thanks for watching.